The Amazfit Band 7 is official, and it's no surprise to see that it has an appearance that's clearly inspired by the new Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. Zepp Health, who makes Amazfit wearables, also builds Xiaomi ones too, and the Band 7 shares a lot of the same features with the 7 Pro and its Mi Band 7 fitness tracker. But there are newcomers that are threatening Xiaomi's dominance of the cheaper end of the tracker spectrum. That includes the Amazfit Band 7, which is made by Xiaomi, which also manufactures the Mi Band. The Amazfit Band 7 launched after the Mi Band 7 Pro in 2022, and while there's no sign of the Amazfit Band 6 just yet, there is a Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Both are cheap, both offer a lot of the same features, so is there a huge advantage to go for one over the other? We've lived with both trackers to let you know where the wins and losses are. Here's how the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro matches up to the Amazfit Band 7, and don't forget to check out our best fitness tracker roundup. The Amazfit Band 7 measures in with a 42mm case as opposed to a 47mm one, but it's gone from an 18mm wide case to a 24mm one, just to give you an idea of that change. Amazfit says the screen on the Band 7 is 112% bigger, giving you more screen to view your data on. Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro is the new and first Pro upgrade product of Xiaomi Mi Band. The Mi Band 7 Pro has been upgraded in terms of screen, appearance, independent positioning, sports health, etc., bringing more Pro to friends who like sports and fitness. Let's take a look at the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Both still have a polycarbonate case, though, and they come in black or beige looks with the option to partner it up with additional green, blue, pink or orange straps. Also, both offer the same 5 ATM rating as the 7, making it suitable to be submerged in water up to 50 meters depth. According to the data from Xiaomi's official laboratory, the 1.64-inch rectangular full-screen resolution 456 by 280 pixels, adopted by the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, increases the display area by 50% compared to the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. And it is even better than the Mi Band 6 increased the display area by 84%. After adopting a rectangular full screen, Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro has a better reading experience. On Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro, fonts and icons can be displayed in a larger area, bringing better reading effect and a better visual perception. Meanwhile, on Amazfit Band 7, you're getting a 1.47-inch, 198 by 368 resolution AMOLED touchscreen, up from the 1.1-inch one on the 5 with a noticeable bump up on resolution. That's made from tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating also applied to help keep it smudge-free. As fitness trackers and keeping tabs on your health, these two are level-pegged. They both use the typical motion sensors to track steps, enable sleep monitoring and track indoor activities and pool swimming. There's a heart rate monitor on both to continuously monitor heart rate and track heart rate during exercise. That sensor is also used for PI health assessment scores and continuous stress tracking, using heart rate variability measurements. There's 120 sports modes including pool swimming, but unlike Xiaomi's Mi Band 7 Pro, it only offers connected GPS, as opposed to having the tracking tech built in. For those that don't want to do manual tracking, there's also automatic exercise recognition for walking, running, indoor rowing and elliptical workouts. Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro supports recording more than 117 kinds of sports, in addition to regular running, walking and other sports. In general, it can record many types of sports, covering many popular sports and professional sports. Based on our experience, these trackers offer similar fitness and sports tracking experiences. They perform well in the same departments and struggle in the same ones too. If you want something for tracking steps, sleep and some sports tracking time, they'll serve you well enough. You're getting Zepp's training insights dishing out VO2 max, training load and training effect insights, and a BioTracker 3.0 ppg biometric sensor, which supports heart rate, blood oxygen and stress tracking. You can now capture all 3 bits of that biometric data in one 45-second measurement with high and low alerts for those metrics also on offer. Other features include guided breathing exercises, step and sleep tracking, menstrual cycle tracking and PI scores, to make sure you're raising that heart rate on a regular basis. Also, Amazfit received Amazon Alexa remains just like it was on the 5, and you're also getting over 50 watch faces to choose from, including support for always-on watch faces. But only Mi Band 7 Pro provides a very significant upgrade, which supports independent positioning recording from the mobile phone. Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro supports GPS, GLONASS, QZSS and other 5-star simultaneous search, which can provide more accurate location records. This means that when the user performs outdoor running and other sports, the track record can be performed without the mobile phone, which reduces the equipment required for the exercise, and can be carried out lightly. There's some improvements on the battery front, with Amazfit promising up to 18 days in typical usage, up to 12 days in heavy usage, and 28 days in the battery saver mode. Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro can be used in the classic battery life mode of 12 days, or 6 days of heavy battery life. When the long battery life mode is turned on, it can further reach 20 days of battery life, but it is worth noting that if the user turns on the independent positioning function, the battery life will be greatly reduced, and the duration is about 8 hours. When it comes to price, neither of these trackers are going to leave huge dents in your bank balance. Let's start with what we do know. We know that the Amazfit Band 7 costs $49, while Xiaomi Band 7 Pro costs $59. It feels like a good upgrade on the Band 5, and we're definitely on board with the new look, but that lack of onboard GPS that's present on the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro is slightly disappointing. We're hoping to have one in to test soon to see if Amazfit has come up with a true budget tracker champ. Ultimately, you can't really go wrong with either if you want a cheap fitness tracker that isn't a disaster or problematic to live with. Thanks for watching this comparison. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.